Starting around 16 October 2023, Algorand sort of is exchanging at $0.095 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they essentially thought. Algo has a very complete market cap of $749,535,452 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $36,593,394, or so they especially thought. This especially makes Algorand, Algo, for the most part positioning at 46 in the cryptographic money market in a significant way. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand generally be by and large worth in 2023, which basically is very critical. Is Algorand a very wise speculation or kind of worth purchasing in 2023, which fundamentally is genuinely huge? Will Algo cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking essentially high in an especially enormous manner? These in every way that really matters are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future in an in every practical sense, enormous way. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost explicitly is supposed to generally cross an especially normal value level of 12 cents, the normal genuinely least value worth of Algorand, toward the finish of the really current year, ought to generally be 12 cents in an unpretentious manner. Besides, Algo can truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme value level of 13 cents, showing how these sort of are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future, which basically is genuinely critical. Algorand value figure August 2023. In August 2023, the essentially most extreme cost for Algorand could really stretch around 11 cents amazingly. Moreover, the minimum cost of Algo in August 2023 in a real sense is 10 cents, with a for the most part normal cost of 11 cents, which certainly is very critical. Algorand value gauge September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Algorand generally is supposed to be at around at least 11 cents, which generally shows that in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what basically is the Algorand cost expectation end of 2023, what will Algorand most certainly be especially worth in 2023, or so they in every practical sense thought. Algorand cost can generally arrive at an in every practical sense limit of 12 cents, with the very normal cost of 11 cents in United States dollars, which generally is genuinely critical. Algorand value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand sort of is supposed to in a real sense be at around a really least of 11 cents. Algorand cost can generally arrive at a fundamentally limit of 12 cents, with the in every way that really matters, normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value forecast November 2023. The cost of Algorand explicitly is especially anticipated to sort of reach at an essentially least worth of 12 cents in November 2023, in a really significant way. The Algo cost could essentially arrive at an in every practical sense greatest worth of 13 cents, with the genuinely normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand, Algo, value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of Algorand especially is by and large anticipated to essentially arrive at a for the most part normal cost of 12 cents, while the coin could exchange between an especially limit of 13 cents and a sort of least of 12 cents in an exceptionally huge manner. Algorand extremely past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been by and large diminished by 0.57% in its in every practical sense current worth, showing how Algorand value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to sort of be at around a really least of 11 cents in an unobtrusive manner. On the off chance that we especially look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, showing that starting around 16 October 2023, Algorand really is exchanging at $0.095 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.1% in kind of most recent 60 minutes. Algorand most certainly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins in a very enormous manner. The Algo generally is down to nearly 1.66% in the truly most recent 7 days, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for in every practical sense. Past genuinely couple of days, the coin could in a real sense have in every practical sense solid essentials in any case. We don't explicitly feel that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment. Exhibiting how besides algo can fundamentally arrive at an essentially most extreme value level of 13 cents, showing how these sort of are our Algorand cost expectations for algo's future, which really is genuinely huge. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of algo by and large diminished by 59.840%, wiping out an incredible extremely normal amount of 14 cents from its truly current worth. So basically, is Algorand a wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? This unexpected down generally implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a genuinely decent sort of purchase, a potential open door for sort of speedy interest in an unpretentious manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 61.30%. And the cost generally circled from a base sort of typical cost of 23 cents to exceptionally most extremely normal cost of 25 cents in the beyond 90 days, which basically shows that Algorand, algo, value expectation 2023, as per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the algo cost in a real sense is supposed to especially cross a really normal value level of 12 cents, the normal pretty least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to sort of be 12 cents in an especially huge manner. Algorand essentially is somewhere near 49.42% with the really greatest by and large normal cost of the coin generally was around 17 cents. And the genuinely least kind of typical cost of generally was around 16 cents in lovely beyond 4 months, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Algorand value conjecture 2023 facts. What will truly be Algorand especially worth in 2023, which really is very critical. The algo cost for the most part is determined to really arrive at a truly greatest degree of 13 cents, with truly least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, showing how Algorand in every practical sense is confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins, or so they sort of thought. Does Algorand for the most part have a future, which explicitly is genuinely huge? As far as value, Algorand explicitly has a remarkable fundamentally potential to fundamentally arrive at new levels, so this unexpected down especially implies that the coin for the most part is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in every practical sense be an excellent basically purchase, an open door for pretty fast venture, or so they in every practical sense thought. It truly is estimate that algo will increment in esteem, showing the way that the algo cost could essentially arrive at a truly greatest worth of 13 cents, with the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023, in every practical sense, in spite of mainstream thinking. As indicated by genuinely unambiguous specialists and business examiners, Algorand can explicitly stir things up around town all goals and purposes, greatest